Back. National Kid Inventor Day is this Sunday, and our next guest has been testing the coolest kid inventions for weeks now. We welcome author and entrepreneur Christina Daves back with a few of her favorite picks, and we were just talking about it during the break. All these nice inventions, and every single one has an amazing story behind it. Like I said before the break, I already saw Makin Bacon.
Yeah.
But you know
We'll
what?
get to that.
Exactly. We'll get to the Makin Bacon. But let's start with the basketball here.
Yeah.
And this is what? This is hands-on?
This is hands-on basketball.
Okay.
You can get this on Amazon. This is a 9-year-old young man who wanted to learn to shoot.
Right. Okay.
So he basically designed it so you've got handprints. So
you got your guide hand right here.
I'm right-handed.
Okay. Okay.
You want to do it? Put it here.
Okay.
Are you right or
Yeah.
left-handed?
I'm a righty.
Okay. So you put your right hand here. You put that hand there.
You put your guide hand right here.
And then you.
There you go. Get that elbow up, and then you should. I'm too tall. Can't even get this. So, all right. So this would work for if you're trying to teach your son or daughter how to play.
Shoot. And that's why he did it, because he wanted to learn how to shoot.
Awesome.
Isn't
okay.
that great?
That's amazing.
All right.
I love anything with basketball too, by the way. All right. So now we can move to Makin Bacon. Okay. Makin Bacon. Okay. That's what it is.
9-year-old Abby.
All
her
right.
dad's making bacon in the microwave, and the grease spills everywhere.
That gets nasty.
They ran out of paper towels. She's like, well, there's got to be a better way. So literally, her dad helped her invent this. You put the bacon on, like we have here. You just put a paper towel over it, and you microwave it, and then you just pour the grease out.
Look at, okay, and I'm sure this thing would be puddled with grease when it's all done.
And then you just pour it. And very important, they did tell me this. I'm going to show everybody. This is, here, I'll put it right here. This is the original. They're knockoffs, and they melt in the microwave.
Ah.
So you want Abby's Makin Bacon.
You want Abby's Makin Bacon.
Yes.
Okay, that's what you want.
Right.
Don't get the bootleg, people. Get the real thing.
Get the real thing.
All right, so moving on to Me and the Bees lemonade.
This is such a great story.
And it looks good right now,
little
too.
girl Michaela has to do something for Lemonade Day at school.
Yes.
So, but that same week, she happens to get stung by bees twice. So she's like, I'm out. I hate bees.
I'm done.
I'm
That's
done.
it. I'm through.
So her parents are like, no, we want you to research bees.
Okay.
So what she finds out is honeybees are not that bad, and they're becoming endangered. So she takes her grandmother's old-fashioned lemonade recipe, and she adds some honey. And
that was all she wrote after that.
You get this at Wegmans?
Yes.
I mean, this is sold all across the country.
It's crazy how the bee sting turned into this
type
of blessing.
Business.
That's crazy, right?
Amazing.
There. All right.
Yes.
So then we have now. I just showed you my sock game. I try to keep my sock game strong. So this right here is. Let me see what these are. Are you kidding? Socks.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you kidding? Socks.
So Sebastian and Brandon started this when they were 10 and 12.
Okay.
And what they did is they do socks like your socks, but then they do a lot of charitable socks. So they've got breast cancer, stand up for cancer, autism. And what they do is they donate money. So they They have donated over $300,000. If there's a hurricane, they will send socks to people. These kids are amazing. They have a podcast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So they're on all platforms. They're taking over the game pretty much.
Yeah, and this is my favorite. They do sock hops at schools. So they take the cancer ones, the stand up to cancer, all the kids wear them, and they dance all night for whoever they love that's been touched by cancer.
And the fun socks, too. All right,
yep.
So amazing stories all so far.
They're so good.
Now, moving on, we have the Wristies. The Wristies. All right, so how do these work?
All right, so KK is playing out in the snow.
Right.
And, you know, when you wear mittens or gloves, you get cold right here.
Yeah, it's that part right there.
So, smart girl.
This is what it is.
Here we go. This is what we need.
I don't just have the gloves. I got the Wristies too. Okay.
So now,
oh man.
Yeah. Now you put your glove over it, and you're saving your.
There we go. Whew, man.
So they come in adult and kid sizes.
Okay. All right.
So it's good for, and the kids are more colorful.
Oh, you know what? I didn't even see the little thumb piece
there
right
there.
Yeah. There you go.
So you don't lose it.
All right. So that's awesome. Moving on now, we have, and I know this, Mos Bows. I saw this kid on Shark Tank. Yes.
What a great young man. So Mosiah Bridges.
Yes.
And he wanted to dress nice. He wanted bow ties, and he couldn't find anything. So he asked his grandmother to help him sew bow ties, and he has these, and they're beautiful, and they're so well made. And look, everything comes in a bag.
Oh,
like this.
Man.
Package.
He's doing it the right way.
He's doing it the right way.
He's
being mentored by Damon John, which is super exciting for him.
Oh my! Anytime you can get a mentorship
like that,
from him, that's huge.
He just released his new book, and he started a foundation to help kid entrepreneurs like this. He's shutting
the game down.
He is.
By the way, I have pants that match this tie. So that would be Mo. I'm gonna give you a call, man. All right, so Christina, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
These are always good stories. Yes.